everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food and Travel. Today is the last day before the Ramadan. It's the holy month for us, for Muslims. And I came for shopping to the biggest market around where I live. And I want to show you around what's the specialty we have, especially for Ramadan. So let's begin. We have lots of different cheeses. I know you asked me which one to buy, but it's really hard. Can you see the whole aisle is for cheese here? I mean, I should make a whole episode for this, so I'm not gonna talk that much about cheeses, but especially like when we break the iftar, we have small plate of breakfast dishes. So here, let's begin from here. You see, we have lots of dates. We have bigger ones and smaller ones, different types. Sukari. This has like more harder on the side. I like this one. I don't like this one that much. Not my type. But we do break our iftar, our fasting with hurma. It's traditional. I like this one also, Sukai hurma. Here it is. This is also probably Sukai. Has more, less sugar actually. They have lots of types here, and we also sometimes garnish it with some dried figs and nuts. For baking, I don't see it here, but I like Iranian dates. If I see, I'm gonna show you. They are like more sweeter and softer and good for cooking. With raisins we make like compote, and with different dried and fresh fruits. So it's also specialty we make. And after the dates we have these packages. This is like for poor people we give. They have oils, tomato puree, pasta, soup, flour, sugar, and rice, dates and olives. These are also special for Ramadan. And we have goulash here. This is a sweet we make with milk. These are sheets made from rice, and this is really special for Ramadan. We have other kinds of also sweets here. This is, you just soak it in syrup. It's very delicious and easy to make. Actually, I thought I came early, but since it's the last day before the Ramadan, it's already very busy. It's close to 12 o'clock, but it's getting busy. And I see şekerpare here. I have the recipe. This is ready one. We have kadayıf. This is dried. I don't really prefer to make kadayıf desserts with the dried one. I buy fresh ones. We have also ready kadayıf here. Let me show you here. And we have sherbets after the sweets. This is kızılcık şerbeti made from cornelian cherries. This is really nice. I have made some marmalade from Kastamonu. I shared the recipe with you. You can make the same sherbet with it. And what else? We have Ramadan sherbet. I shared the recipe again. It's very easy. I don't prefer to buy ready ones, but they also have water, sugar, cherry, some other flavorings. It's similar recipe. We have olives. Of course, the legumes are also must have. Teas. Let me check what they have here. We have frozen, what is it? Pacha. That's, I can't, it's part of the animal, but it's the like leg part of the animal. It's very famous soup we make with this. Go around other sides. Show you the like the sujuk, the breakfast specialty we have, but not gonna talk that much because it's crowded. So now let's see that. We have pastrama. It's very kind of expensive meat, dried cured beef, but it's very delicious. We serve it in before when we break the iftar. These are all the olive types. And these are the sujuk. We have lots of types. I usually try to buy fermented one. These are all fermented, you can see. Different brands they have. We have kavurma also. Specialty I shared with you. And pastrami, another type of like not cured beef. Okay. Jam ale. And these are the molasses, and I usually use these for cooking also. The different kinds of molasses from different brands they have. Tahini, we mix it together. These are all kinds of different jams. These are helvas. I'm gonna again talk about it later, hopefully. But we do serve also helva during the breakfast and when we break the iftar. So I'm in a different ale now. These are the tomato pastes, red pepper pastes. It's must-have in Turkish cuisine, Turkish cooking. We have smaller and bigger ones. You see how much paste we have, like the whole half of the ale. Right now I'm in legumes. Different kinds of rice types we have. The best one is baldo rice. I can show you like that. It's kind of more bigger in size. And my second, the favorite one is Osmancık. Here it is. And then the other one, like we have again like Turkish rice type. It says yerli pirinç. We have mostly like 3 types, and this is bulgur wheat, and this is thick one, thick here, and this is thin one to make like kısır, different dishes. This is to make pilav. Okay. And red lentils, green lentils we have, and yellow one, chickpeas. Beans are also kind of must-have in cooking and the pasta. So here, that's it. Here the flowers. I came here to buy flowers. I don't need that much ingredients actually. I already have. Let's check the teas. We also have like baked teas, but we usually use loose tea there. Here are the loose teas. It's getting crowded, so I don't want to spend that much time, but I already have episode about the tea, so you can check that one. I'm gonna put down the link, so make sure to watch that for tea. Let me show some glasswares here. Oh, this is nice. We have beautiful glasses, tea glasses here. These are classic ones. My favorite one is not here. If I can find it, I'm gonna show you. It's similar to this one, but not this one. I mean oil ale. We use olive oil in lots of dishes. We have like cold olive oil dishes, all vegan, vegetarian, but we do also use sunflower oil and different vegetable oils. These are like from old times. It was very famous to use, but right now we don't use it that much. We prefer butter for it. These are sirke vinegars, different kinds. I mean soda ale, sparkling. We usually buy plain ones without no sugar, but recently I discovered this Avşar gazoz, which has different flavorings, and it was delicious, so I bought one. We have mandarin, lemon, pear, nectarine. I go with the one with pineapple and mango. Yeah. And these are the plain ones. Here they are. I don't go with the Coke and Fanta. While I'm here, let me also show you our famous colonia, which is we used also for hand sanitizers since it's 80 degree. We were not able to find it in the beginning of the pandemic. And these are all the different kinds we have. And this is actually traditionally we already were using even before the pandemic. Just when there is a guest coming to house, it was like tradition to pour when they first came to pour some colonia. And right now we are using for the pandemic too. So I realized that it's a great tradition anyway. If you ask me for brand, I would say Perejão, even though I haven't tried in the recent years. And others, yeah, Perejão I can say, and Boğaziçi. Other than the street bazaars, we also have fresh fruit and vegetable on markets. For this season, we have bakla. I don't know what's in it in English. I'm gonna write down. And this is also one of the favorite vegetables of all time. Eggplants. We have fresh green peas, bezelye. These are very big in size. Chilies, salatalık, çengelköy. These are smaller ones. We have bigger ones too. Tomatoes, of course, first. We still have the winter veggies also, along with the spring ones. I don't know if you know this one, but this is çağla. I'm gonna write down. It's famous, but I don't really like it. So this is what we bought. Black mass, bulgur. I got this one, I liked it. This is ekmek kadayıfı, bread pudding, bread kadayıf, sorry. We are out. So I hope you enjoyed. Now we're gonna go to some places too and continue to shopping. This is dried kadayıf. This is the çiğ raw kadayıf. You can make many recipes with this one, but not this. This is already fried for sprinkling for dessert. This is revani. You just soak it in syrup. Baklava. Another kadayıf like ready. And kalbura bastı. I have this recipe. Şekerpare. Kemalpaşa. Has cheese in it. They also made the smaller one for güllaç, but this is traditional, and this is the second brand. I'm back home, very tired. It was crowded, was getting even more. We went to like couple of markets. You have seen it, so now let's check what we got back home. I have some kıyma, ground beef, and this is like cubed meat, tas kebabı. And this is yufka, 1 kilogram. And I bought çiğ kadayıf, raw kadayıf, 500 each. I'm gonna freeze them because I don't see them all the time. So I'm gonna freeze some of it. This is pastırma, I showed you. Cured meat, bulgur wheat, I have butter, wheat starch for the börek and baklava I'm gonna make. Turkish rice. And this is old aged kaşar cheese from Anatolia, full fat, eski kaşar peyniri. I have regular white cheese here, this is kürek helvası. Helva, tahini helva with a traditional method they make. Irmik, semolina. This is corn flour. When I say corn flour, this is what I'm talking about. And this is cornstarch. And probably in Europe they call this maize or corn. I don't know what else. Just tell me the difference, the name, where you live and how you call it. I like this one, so I bought this for the vegetables and breads. I use separate for onion. I got this mask I showed you. And this dried apricot I'm gonna make. This is also traditional to make compote with it, with dried fruits. I'm gonna use it for it. Use this one. And this helva also called summer helva. This one is with almonds. This was my daughter's request from me. Chocolate spread with hazelnuts. And these are the sodas, olives, tomato puree, tomato paste, olive oil, and flour. So how much I spent? I spent close to 800 Turkish liras, which is $100. You might say it's nothing, but it is a lot for us. I didn't buy much meat or any fruit or vegetables, and everything is really pricey. For example, the 800 I spent is probably at least a fourth of the income, monthly income for a regular person here. They usually earn about 3,500, close to 4,000 approximately. So it is a lot. So you get the idea. You can compare it from where you live, and for example, you can tell me how much would you spend, and for this amount of shopping. Just leave me a comment. We can discuss there too, just to compare between the countries. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. It was with my new camera. I'm trying to get used to it. It is fun. It's a new style for me. Just give me a comment. I will be sharing more vlogs from outside after the month of Ramadan. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Bye.